Now, I talk a lot about nutrition and misinformation. There's a lot of it around. And because nutrition is so fundamental to each and every one of us, it's not exactly surprising that there is so much misinformation regarding nutrition out there. Humans are inherently interested in nutrition because it acutely affects our health. It plays a monumental part of our life, our everyday life. It's something that we are constantly surrounded by and have to think about. And so journalists and the media, they love to print nutrition-related stories. Your neighbors and your friends love to talk about the new diet they've had success with, or the new supplement that they're taking, or the new superfood that they've just heard about. And herein lies the massive problem. Journalists, for the most part, have no clue how to interpret scientific literature. And that's a problem because scientific data is vast. And here's an example of just how powerful and dangerous misinformation and the media can be. Some time ago, there was an in vitro study conducted by scientists. And in vitro means to individual biological cells in a petri dish, in a lab. These scientists took individual cancer cells, popped them in a petri dish, and poured alkaline water on them. The cancer cells died. Now, whilst this was, of course, a very interesting experiment, it's worlds away from looking at what alkaline does in an infinitely complex organism, like the human body, for example. Now, of course, journalists, keen for their next story, got hold of this study, and the headlines read something like, "Alkaline water cures cancer." Now, you may have heard of the alkaline diet before. The idea is that cancer thrives in acidic environments, and therefore if you keep your body alkaline, cancer can't grow. Unfortunately, it's utter nonsense. It's not true. It's complete rubbish. Because whilst it's true that cancer cells can't survive in an overly alkaline environment, neither can any other cells. And so if you made your body truly alkaline, you would just die anyway. The thing is, people want to believe it. They want to believe that something as simple as drinking alkaline water can help cure cancer. And the media only perpetuates this problem. The media consistently perpetuate dangerous misinformation. In fact, the media very rarely get it right when it comes to nutrition. So take media-related stories about nutrition with a very big pinch of salt, and instead you can ask me to clarify anything that you've read.